Well, hi there pluckers, I've all fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This is in response to a request I've had for a song from Glen Campbell. This is a song called There's No Me Without You. Okay, so without what to do, I'm in standard tuning, no capos, doing it the same key as Glen Campbell did this on an album called See You There, I believe. Okay, going to go through basically the intro and verse stroke chorus for you, and then break it down and show exactly how I played it. Okay, it then just repeats everything again with different words. Okay, and that's basically it. Then just plays another instrumental verse with some guitars playing some little licks and stuff over the top of it, and then fades out. Okay, so here we go. Sun doesn't have to shine, it doesn't matter what I do. There's no me without you. We never have to be afraid, heaven is a place for two. There's no me without you. Will be forever true. There's no me without you. One sort of lonely day. And so on into the next verse. Okay, it's plays exactly the same with different words. Okay, sorry about the singing, but there we have it. It's for reference only. Right, so let's get to it. So the introduction is basically starts on a nice strident strum on D. It's quite a slow song, this. It's quite easy to play it too quick. And then basically it's a D strum, and then he takes that second finger off the top E string and then hammers it back in again. Okay, so it's a couple of times. The sun doesn't have to shine. So D to D major 7th. This is a very simple chord, barring the first 3 strings on the 2nd fret. Okay, and you play 5 down to 1. Okay, so from the beginning. Sun doesn't have to shine, it doesn't matter what I do. To a D 7th, okay? So that's D to D major 7th to D 7th. There's no G, me, without, back to D, you. So that's the first half of the verse, okay? So let's just do it again from the intro. Sun doesn't have to shine, it doesn't matter what I do. There's no me without you. We never have to be afraid, repeat, there's a place for two. There's no me without you. Okay, so basically it just repeats the whole thing again. D to D major 7th, to D 7th, to G, and then back to the D. Okay, so let's do the whole first verse, okay, including the intro. Do the intro as well, okay? Here we go. The sun doesn't have to shine, doesn't matter what I do. There's no me without you. We never have to be afraid, Heaven is a place for two. There's no me without you. And then we do a little suspended, D suspended fourth, adding your pinky to the top E string 3rd fret. Okay, so that coming out of that, there's no me without you. Okay, then we go into an A bit, and then back to the D, back to the A, and then the singing comes back in again. Okay, we shall, back to D on B, B forever, back to A for 2, 2, there's no, back to D, me, stop, without you. Intro. Okay, once upon a lonely day, and they go off to the next verse exactly the same. Okay, and it just repeats everything again with different words. Okay, so let's just go through that second bit again, where it comes out of the verse and goes, there's no me without you, suspended, into an A chord, back to D, back to A, we shall D, B, forever, A2, there's no D, stops, me without you. Once upon a lonely day, God came through, bless me with you. That sort of thing. Okay, that's exactly the same as the first verse with different words. Okay, once upon a lonely day, God came through, bless me with you. Okay, exactly the same sequence of chords. Okay, so let's just do the whole thing, intro, first verse and first chorus, and then you've got the whole song sorted. Okay, so here we go. The sun doesn't have to shine, it doesn't matter what I do, there's gloomy without you. We never have to be afraid, heaven is a place for two, there's no me without you. We shall be forever two, there's no me without you. And that's basically it, there's nothing else in the song. Okay, thanks very much for watching and listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.